So one strategy for solving a system of equations is using elimination. Now for elimination to work, you'll notice in both of these equations, all the x's, y's, and numbers are all lined up vertically. So in that case, what we need to do is look for opposites. And if we don't have an opposite, we should find an opposite. Now for the first one, I do already have opposites, negative y and positive y. Now, with elimination, you add vertically and combine like terms. So we get 4x equals 10. And then divide by 4 on both sides. And then x is going to turn out to equal 2.5. So that will help us get rid of two of our answers. Now to figure out what y is going to be, let's take it and plug it into the easier of the two equations. X is 2.5, we're going to use this equation. X plus y equals 2. So 2.5 plus y equals 2. Subtract 2.5 on both sides to isolate our variable. And y is going to equal negative 0.5. So x is 2.5, y is negative 0.5. That makes our answer 2. Now, if you look at the next one, we don't have anything yet that we can combine. But what we can do is we're going to take this second equation and we're going to multiply it by negative 1 to change all the signs. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 4. Then the bottom will have 2x minus 2y equals negative 24. Now, it really doesn't matter which variable you cancel. We just got to make sure that we have one that has a pair of opposites. So now I can cross out the y's again. I have 5x on the left. That's going to equal negative 20. Divide both sides by 5. And then x equals negative 4. So going to my answers, well, it can't be 1, and it can't be 2. It's got to be 3 or 4. So let's take one of our equations and see if we can find it out. So x is negative 4. I think the top one will be a little easier. So we got 3x plus 2y equals 4. 3 times negative 4 plus 2y equals 4. Then we got negative 12 plus 2y equals 4. Now we can add 12 to both sides to start solving for y. So we got 2y equals 16. And then we can divide by 2, and then y is going to equal 8. So that's going to make our answer number 3. Now, if you do get confused and you can't find one of the answers, a great way to do these is by doing guess and check. Guess and check will work. You just have to find the pair that will work in both equations.